Hello students, let's move on with part 3 of chapter 10. In this part we will see how to open a web page. So if you want to open a web page, you need a web browser. To visit a website or web page, you need to put its URL into the address bar that appears on the top of every web browser. So there is one box given that is called address bar, in which you can type the URL of the website. To do this, place the cursor at the address bar and type the address. For example, there is one website named www.wikipedia.org. After you finish typing, press the enter key. As soon as you press the enter key, the website of Wikipedia appears as shown in figure. Now, there is one note for you. While typing in the address bar, the browser suggests the recently or frequently visited website. That will come in the below box as shown in figure. Now there is one thing, that is PayPal. Now what is this PayPal? PayPal is one of the most popular payment gateways, founded in December 1998, that authorizes debit card and credit card payments. So I know that all of you are doing purchasing from the website. So this is one of the payment gateway, that is PayPal. Now let's see how the responsibilities of a good digital citizen. See, we know that we all are using internet, but a good digital citizen is the one who uses the internet safely and in the right way. He participates in social activities properly. So, if you want to be a good digital citizen, you should take care of the following responsibilities. So, there are few responsibilities of using internet. Let's see one by one. The first is observe etiquettes when online. Means what? See, you should always follow proper code of conduct when you are online. Do not use the harsh language. Okay? This is against the internet. You cannot use harsh language. The second is report unlawful activities. Now what is this? See, if you notice any harassing, threatening or illegal activity on the internet, always report it to your elders. For example, if you see an abusive remark made to anybody, inform your teacher or parents about it. Okay, so you should take care of all these things while using internet. You have to inform to your parents or elders. Now the third one is do not tamper with others' files and folders. Okay, see, you should not open, delete or copy anything created by anyone else without taking his or her permission. So permission is required. You cannot use anything, okay, without someone's permission. Now the fourth one is never create a fake identity. Now what is this? Always keep your identity real over the internet. Do not present yourself as someone else online. Okay, so you should be pure while using internet. The fifth one is do not copy information as it is from the internet. So copying is not allowed at all. It is an illegal practice to copy any kind of information such as text, music, video, etc. directly from the internet in your document. Always understand the concept and interpret it in your own way. See, copying is allowed, but you have to do some changes into that. Also keep a record of the web pages visited for the information and mention the resources referred while presenting your work. So these are few responsibilities that you have to take while using internet and to be a good digital citizen. So here our chapter ends. Thank you.